Well. Here we go again. Guess what we have this time? Yep. Guess what we have this time? Some beef tri-tip. Nice little beef tri-tip from Walmart. Gonna season it and put it on the indoor grill. So here we go. First thing I'm gonna do is hit it with a little bit of salt. Alright. A little bit of garlic. Some black pepper. Now what I like to do is take my little handy dandy spoon and just rub it in. Make sure that seasoning get all rubbed into the meat. Works wonders. Just use the back of a spoon. You ain't gotta use your hand or none of that. You ain't gotta get your hand all nasty. Alright? Alright. Once you get that rubbed all in there, hit it with a little bit of corn oil just to make sure it don't stick on the grill. Alright. Once again, use my little spoon. Rub it all in there. So you rub all over it. Get that seasoning and that oil coated all over the meat. Look at that. Look at that. Next thing, look. Deuce, flip it on the other side. Okay. Hit it with some salt. Some pepper. Some garlic. The other side I did salt, garlic, pepper. This side, salt, pepper, garlic. Same difference. So again, use my spoon. Make sure I rub it in there real good. And just do the basics, salt, pepper, and garlic for this one. Should bring out a lot of beef flavor without anything extra. Alright. Look on that side. Once again, hit it with a little bit of corn oil. It's Asian corn oil. Comes with a nice little spout on top for easy pouring. Ooh. Ooh. Gotta be careful there. Take my spoon once again. Just make sure I rub it on there. Use the back of the spoon. Rub that seasoning all down into the meat. Okay. Sure it's nice and coated before I throw it on the grill. There you have it. Nice and seasoned up. Ready for the indoor grill. Alright. Alright, here we have our indoor smokeless grill by Simple Living Products. It's been heating up right now for about a little over 30 minutes, so it should be nice and hot. About to put that tri-tip on for the first time. We're grilling a tri-tip on this Simple Living Products indoor smokeless grill. Let's see how it turned out. And here we go. Tri-tip. Alright. Take this tri-tip out. That's the fat side. Non-fat side. I think I'm gonna put it on the fat side up first. Alright, had a nice sizzle. See a little bit of smoke coming off of it. Probably a little bit of steam, but it shouldn't smoke too bad, if smoke at all. So we'll see. Nice thing about this indoor smokeless grill is you could just grill food inside the house, right in the kitchen. You ain't even got to worry about going outside prepping a grill and doing all of that. Even though grilling outside in the outdoors is better at times because you get to enjoy the freedom of being outside, enjoying the nature around you and stuff, but for convenience, and even when the weather is bad outside, you just pop the stuff on the indoor grill and you should be good to go. Hit it with a little magnification, see what's going on. Alright. Alright. Alright folks, we'll be right back on the flip. Alright, it's been on that first side for about 5 minutes. About to hit it with the first flip. So here we go. A nice handy dandy spatula. look at that. Look at that. You got the nice grill marks and everything. Alright. Hit it with the zoom right quick, see what's going on. Some nice grill marks going on there. Alright. See the texture. Alright. So far so good. Gonna leave it on the other side for about 5 minutes as well. And in the meantime, you're gonna enjoy a nice little apricot cider. It's about 6.9% alcohol by volume. Titan Cider Works. Pretty decent cider. Alright. Catch you on the flip. Alright folks, back again. About to hit it with the second flip. As you can see right now, you can see right now it's looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. A little burnt mark on top there, don't worry about that. That's just a little bit of fat and seasoning. So, yeah. So far looking good. Probably leave it on the first side for maybe about 3 minutes or so. On the indoor grill, stuff take a little bit longer to cook versus a stove or outdoor grill, so leave it on there for a few minutes. I like steak to be medium or medium rare, but if this is medium well or even well done, hey, I ain't gonna complain, you know. So you just leave it on here for a few more minutes, see how it turned out. Be right back. Alright, I'm gonna flip it over one more time on the fat side for a couple of minutes and then I'm gonna pull it off. Look at that. So far so good. Got a nice crust on the outside and everything. Try to zoom in for a little bit of text. A little bit of texture going on there. When we cut into it is when we're gonna really see how it looks. But so far, so good. There's a little zoom out. See how it's looking on there. Should turn out to be a fine piece of steak. Once again, I had the all white on standby. Getting ready, about to plate that up. Let it hit the countdown. You got some nice little drippings coming off of there. If you can see it. Nice little drippings. Yeah. So I'm about to pull it off and put it on the plate. There you go. Balance, balance. Alright, here we go. That is it. Some of the season kind of stuck to the grill, but it's alright. So here we go. Alright. Tri-tip. Shine the light on there. See how it looks. Alright. Some nice good grill marks and everything. About to cut into it here in a few minutes. Probably let it rest for about 10 minutes. And we'll be right back. Alright, so the steak has been resting for about 10 minutes. You can start to see some of the juices flowing from the tri-tip steak. So getting ready to cut into it and see what it looked like. Got my trusted knife from years ago. Ended up broken the tip off of it recently. Trying to cut through some bone. Wasn't a good idea, but oh well. Alright. See what this steak looks like. Cut it from the middle. Look at that. Hold it up for the camera. Looking like a nice medium. Medium well. If I might say so myself. Right. Cut a piece off of it. See what it tastes like. Right. Look at that. Nice burn marks on the outside, still juicy and dripping. Like a nice medium well. Cut into this. See what it tastes like, alright? Ready? It's pretty good. Got a nice chew to it. Not tough or anything. There's some of this steak sauce off the bottom. Alright. Here we go again. See what the tip look like. To call it the tri-tip. Alright. Nice and juicy. Can't go wrong at all with the indoor smokeless grill. Alright. A little very tip. A little ponytail hanging off the little end there. Alright. How to get it in focus. So there you have it, folks. Tri-tip steak on the indoor smokeless grill. Not bad. Not bad at all. Until next time.